Today we are going to learn how to spell different birds' name in our channel, Papa Kids Object Learning. Shall we go? Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Eastern bluebird, E-A-S-T-E-R and B-L-U-E-B-I-R-D, Eastern bluebird. Eastern kingbird, E-A-S-T-E-R and K-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, Eastern kingbird. Eastern meadowlark, E-A-S-T-E-R-N-M-E-A-D-O-W-L-A-R-K, Eastern meadowlark. Eastern phoebe, E-A-S-T-E-R-N-P-H-O-E-B-E, Eastern phoebe. Eastern screech owl, E-A-S-T-E-R-N-S-C-R-E-E-C-H-O-W-L, Eastern screech owl. Eastern towhee, E-A-S-T-E-R-N-T-O-W-H-E-E, Eastern towhee. Eastern wood pewee, E-A-S-T-E-R-N-W-O-D-P-E-W-E-E, Eastern wood pewee. Eclipse parrot, E-C-L-I-P-S-E-P-A-R-R-O-T, Eclipse parrot. Egyptian goose, E-G-Y-P-T-I-A-N-G-O-O-S-E, Egyptian goose. Elegant trogon, E-L-E-G-A-N-T-T-R-O-G-O-N, elegant trogon. Elegant tern, E-L-E-G-A-N-T-T-E-R-N, elegant tern. Eliot's pheasant, E-L-L-I-O-T-S-P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T, Eliot's pheasant. Emerald tanager, E-M-E-R-A-L-D M E R A L D T A N A G E R Emerald tanager. Emu E-M-U Emu. Eurasian bullfinch E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-B-U-L-L-F-I-N-C-H. Eurasian bullfinch. Eurasian curlew E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-C-U-R-L-E-W. Eurasian curlew. Eurasian hobby E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-H-O-B-B-Y. Eurasian hobby. Eurasian jay E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-J-A-Y. Eurasian jay. Eurasian magpie E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-M-A-G-P-I-E. Eurasian magpie. Eurasian nuthatch E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-N-U-T-H-A-T-C-H. Eurasian nuthatch. Eurasian spoonbill E-U-R-A-S-I-A-N-S-P-O-O-N-B-I-L-L. Eurasian spoonbill. European goldfinch E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N-G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H. European goldfinch. European robin E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N-R-O-B-I-N. European robin. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.